Bergeron Oliver with CTV National News. Yesterday, Ontario's health minister said Canada is getting a total of 6 million doses of the Moderna and Pfizer vaccine starting in January. Your health minister and your health department would not confirm those numbers yesterday. And the parliamentary secretary to the health minister said he was, quote, not aware of where Christine Elliott got those numbers. So is the federal government set to receive 6 million doses of those two vaccines by March? And how will they be divided up?
There are many ongoing preliminary discussions around our plan to roll out vaccines and deliver them across the country. We know that there is still uncertainty as to when those vaccines are going to be manufactured. They are still all in various stages of trials, and as much as we have signed contracts around delivery dates, we know there are many uncertainties still to come. The focus that we have as a government is on ensuring that as those vaccines arrive and are approved safely by health authorities, that they get delivered as quickly as possible to vulnerable Canadians as a priority, and then to all Canadians. We're working closely with the provinces in terms of establishing what those are, but these discussions are still at a preliminary stage.
So I don't mean to interrupt, but are you saying that Christine Elliott is wrong then? And why won't you come out and just be honest? It's a simple question. Are we getting 6 million by March, or is the Ontario Health Minister wrong?
I think there are many numbers circulating amongst health officials as to what the possible deliveries of vaccines could be, but we're not going to confirm those plans until we have much more certainty around them. I think everybody wants to know when this is going to be done, when we are going to be through this pandemic. The reality is we're still facing many more months of having to do the right things, of having to reduce our contacts, of having to wear masks, of having to be very, very careful and vigilant. Yes, vaccines are coming, and yes, Canada will be ready and have the right plan to make sure that we're getting those out across the country. And those discussions are very much ongoing with provinces and other partners, but right now it's too preliminary to make firm announcements.
Wrong?
Like I said, we are discussing constantly with the provinces and different authorities, but there's still a lot of uncertainty towards the production of vaccines. We don't know exactly which vaccines will arrive first, which vaccines will get approval first by the various authorities. So I understand that everybody wants to know exactly when we are going to get those vaccines, but we are looking forward to. But we're doing right now our work to make sure that we will be there to help Canadians to bring the vaccines the day they will arrive, and that we will be able to give vaccinations to the good people in a priority order. And there's a lot of discussions right now at this level, and it's too early to confirm the numbers.